No, there are no shutters. Okay, I thought foggy wouldn't matter, but I literally can't see anything. Holy... Dude! Forgot to look out for bear traps. What? Hello? What is this? It's the ghost. What is... A microwave? What? Why is there a microwave, bro? Yo, can you heat up my grilled cheese real quick? Okay, I can see... Ow, okay. So just don't get microwaved. I see what it is. Can I turn this off? I'm hearing distant music. I don't know what that... Something opened that door, probably the microwave. Why? Bro. Can't have nothing. Can't have nothing in... What am I listening to? Microwaves, bugs, guns, bugs. I hate this job, bro. I hate this job. All this for 13 cents an hour, man. It ain't worth it. Can you just... Bro, this looks like something out of Clash Royale or something. 70 elixir microwave. You're not 3 crowning me, bro. Snow globe. Ooh. Don't microwave me, bro. Don't even. Overall, a relatively successful day. Holy. Bro. I don't blame him. I get out of there too, man. Yo, you chill, or is he gonna... Actually, I'm not... Oh, I'm scared. The mask freaks me out so much. I hate the mask so much. I want the nutcracker. And that. I don't know where he is. He sounds so close, though. No, I actually cannot do this. I can't. You know, I'll just go to... Offense is having a meteor shower. In that case, I don't see why I shouldn't go there. Hey, I don't know how to have fun. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I didn't know there was gonna be that. No, I gotta get on the roof for this. I gotta see. I gotta watch this. Look at that. There's just boulders floating in the sky. Actually, those are a bit bigger than boulders. Those look like entire moons, actually. Those aren't gonna fall down, right? Yeah, no, we're good. Yeah! Yeah! I'm going for it! I'm going for it! Oh, one, damn it. I'm going for it. I had to prove my loyalty to the company. This is what I do. Whoa, thanks, man. Yeah. Huh. Oh, it's straight up money. Requires a wallet. Dang, man.
Tell me the duck story.
What the... What? Huh? Crazy weather we're having out here, eh? I'd rather be in the meteor shower, bro. I'd rather be in the meteor shower. Never mind. Oh, you know, average. Just average, typical day, you know. I think I'll just head out, you know. Maybe it's not worth knowing what's in there, man. I don't know what that was. Jeez! Ow! That was just a little rude, guys. Okay, now let me actually do something that's gonna get me some money. I'll go to Adamance, even though I hate Adamance. Adamance, whatever. Just go on the main one, why not? Okay, what is going bzzz? Oh my gosh, I was literally just about... What are you? The microwave. Okay, I'm done. Keep whatever's keep whatever's over there, bro. I didn't want it. Dang it. Alright. I don't want to be near the microwave. Or the laser cannon of death. There's another laser cannon of death. Dude, I don't know. These mods must have gotten like some crazy updates or something. I haven't touched this mod bag in a while. But honestly, this is the most fun I've had. Let's turn off the microwave. And laser cannon of death. No. I love having two-handed items, because then I have to take like 70 trips back and forth. The bridge is probably gonna break. 3, 2, 1, go. No. Please. Please. Oh, come on. What are you... Too little, too late, man. Fly me away. 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 Alright, buddy, to infinity. Oh, a crate. You can actually dig it. We can dig it with a shovel? Never mind. Screw you and your shovel. I said shovel. What's that? What? Bro, did an alien just land? Okay, what dropped from the sky? Oh, this is someone's ship. Success. Coordinates to Oxyde found. Automatic message report to the doctor's cabin at your Ox. I hate these airdrops so much. Okay, you know, sometimes I get complimented for being like, wow, you're so chill. But then this stuff like this happens, and I just like have to question, like, what made you think that? Maybe this is the way I talk. Open sesame, please. Oh. Okay, so, you know, just like... I don't know what's happening. What is happening? Fell to their death. I did not fall to my death. Just take me to Adamance again, man. Just...
Alert. Closing the ships.
Can we just have a normal field trip? Oxyde. Oh, that's what it gave me. Okay, what's Oxyde and what's night shift? Sure.
Alert. Closing the ship's shutter. Alert. Opening the ship's shutter.
Okay, I don't know what any of this is, but... Okay, let's see what this is.
Closing the ship's shutters. Alert.
Oh. What? I can't see anything. Oh, what? What is... I don't understand. What is playing this 1920s goofy music? If I jump down there, I'm just gonna... Items missed. What was it? No wonder he died when he came here. The night shift, bro. I should have known Big Jim gets quirky at night. Oh, climb. How do you climb? Oh. Well, there we go. Can't see none. I'm turning my brightness up. I can't see anything. Alright, that's a little better. Bro, is this the planet of Iron Lung? What is going on? Anyone home? Engine lever. The lever is jammed. What did I just do? I'm sorry? Yeah, it sounded like this is where I see a toilet. No poops though, dang it. Oh, my ship's down there. How do I get down there? Ah, like this. I understand now. Ow. My feet. Sounds like these are where I wonder why people put so much effort in these mods, because at that point just make your own game, you know what I mean? Query 74. Oh, there's no time limit here. I can just do whatever I want. I'm gonna buy another flashlight. Attention. Keep track of the side activity to avoid injuries and accidents. Green. Oh, it's green, so we're good. I don't know what happened here. Everything is shaking. Why is everything shaking? Oh, what is happening? Okay. Big Jim? Thanks. Yo, let me in, bro. Hey, man, you good? Uh-oh. Wait, I don't think that was supposed to... Wait! What did I just... What? Pull me down the rabbit hole.
Shutters.
And I'll dig deeper.
Opening the ship's shutters.
Alright, Big Jim. Think it's some kind of game? Yeah, magnet me up. Magnet me up. Speed run. That should be right. What? Mysterious watch. Breaker. Oh, what the? Oh, dude, what's good? Oh, this is like... This is stuff. What the? Bro! I'm giving you 0 stars on Yelp for that.